Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Chainlink or Link. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on daily time frame, we had two different ideas overall that we were going to go through. Overall, we had this as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Within wave 3 we had this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks pretty okay as is, and again wave 1 would have some kind of structure down here that we just don't see in this price chart. The other scenario is that we have only created a wave 3 here, but for that to happen we would have to have this again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's really no relationship between the the fourth and second wave here, so that's why it makes it very much less likely to be the case. Also the fact that we have retraced here around 90% already, and that would be just a wave 4, I just don't see that. So yeah, my main is the first one presented here. So after that, let's go through the correction that we've had or are having. In this one, again, 3-way structure into wave W, 3 waves into X, and then looking for that 3-way structure downwards. At the moment, I've labeled this as a 3-way here, 3-way like so, into X, and then we would be looking for 3-way structure for the wave Y. One scenario is that we have already created that, and that we had this as an ABC here, 3 waves into X, and then again ABC. However, this wave X here is very small compared, so we can see that it doesn't get to the 38.2 retracement on logarithmic or arithmetic scale, not even close, so it is making this very much less likely. However, on higher time frame, if we are looking at this on logarithmic scale, again we can see that it fits pretty nicely into these lows where we would have around the 1.236 extension. Again, time wise, wave Y is very much shorter than the wave W here. I think it was around the 0.5. Yeah, exactly 0.5 of that wave W in time. It is fine, but again, don't really like the very small structure in here. The other scenario that I'm playing more with is this one, in which again we would be looking this here as an impulsive wave structure or part of it. We would have this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, not perfect. Wave 4 is very large compared to wave 2, but sometimes you just have to have it if you want to be labeling this in a certain way. This definitely feels like 5 waves in here. Let's go back to, I'll go to wave 1 hour time frame to see this better. And here we would have again WXY into that wave 4, and then I think it was an extension here on the third wave, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5. So that would get us to wave 5 here to complete the A wave here. After that point we have had only consolidation here. It is very hard to label this properly, and only when this whole structure breaks up or down we are most likely going to be having some kind of proper structure. But until then, this all can be labeled many ways. Again, previous highs, all of these previous highs are very strong resistance area as it looks like. We are at the range value area high. Soon, at least now we did break the point of control of this whole range, and now soon to be testing is lower trend or lower value area low here. But previously I don't think it has proven to be anything significant. So at the moment, at least, I've labeled this as a 5-way structure into A, expanding leading diagonal, very rare in itself already, but if we want to be having that and having this as a 5-way move here, then I would have to be labeling it as such. So overall this would be an ABC into an A wave. Then we would have a 3-way move down here into A, 3 ways into B, and now we could be looking this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here for the C wave into B wave overall. So again, A, B, so A, B and then C wave. At that point again, why we're looking for this high, are these 38.2 retracements, which is again for the wave B. Again, minimum retracement we are looking for a 3 wave move is that 38.2%. Other variations of this could be that this is indeed a W here, and then 3 waves into X, and then 3 waves into wave Y, and this would already complete a 3-way structure. With this in mind, then we could have something like this. But again, we just don't know that yet. I wouldn't be playing this Elliott Wave or with Elliott Wave too much. I would be more looking at traditional technical analysis as we are playing this range. The volume profile is definitely helping a lot, and playing the VWAPs and the volume profiles as well on lower time frames to get some scalps off. As you see here, we could have had all these selling opportunities, even this latest one tap in and already coming down for 2%. Big moves even with these very short time frames. But yeah, that is pretty much that. I don't really want to be covering too much link here at this point, as there hasn't been anything else happening overall on the chart. Very sideways action as mentioned, so we'll look into this again once this structure gives something else out and breaks either this low or the high. But till then, we're going to be again looking into other alts if you want to be following the channel. Also, if you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes, and link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.